Hi, welcome to Vet Basics. Today our video is about autologous serum eye drops. As we know, autologous means obtaining something from an individual and using that on the same individual. In this video, we will see about why should we use serum as an eye drops, where to use and how to use. If you look at the components of serum and tear, both look very similar. The serum contains vitamins, immunoglobulins, lysozymes, cytokinins, various growth factors like epidermal growth factor, transforming growth factor, platelet derived growth factor, neurotrophic factor, fibronectin, and other bacteriostatic components. So, when to use? In dry eye condition instead of artificial tear substitute, and ulcerative keratitis to reduce proteolytic activity, particularly with melting ulcer where antiproteinase and anticollagenase therapy are indicated. Then coming to the preparation, it's very simple procedure. There is no need of any additives, preservatives, nothing. But it should be prepared in aseptic manner because any bacterial or fungal contamination will aggravate the condition. First collect blood and keep it for 1 hour to clot. And centrifuge it to separate serum. 1500 to 2000 rpm for 15 minutes should be okay. Based on the requirement, you can collect blood sample and separate serum because you can store this serum for 3 months. I will tell you later. Now separate the serum. You can use the serum as it is 100% solution or you can dilute also. The recommended concentration is 20% to 100% serum. If you add 1 ml of serum in 3 ml of sterile water or 0.9% normal saline, that will give 25% concentration. If you add 2 ml in 3 ml of saline, you will get 40% concentration. If you have more serum, you can use without diluting it. In case if you have less quantity, you can dilute it and use. The effect will not be affected. You store this serum in a clean dispensing bottle. Add maximum 3 ml in a bottle and keep. This can be stored in deep freezer for 3 months. Currently using opened bottle can be kept in refrigerator and should be used within 24 to 48 hours. 1 to 2 drops in every 1 to 2 hours in acute conditions are recommended. Being a blood product, it has more chances for contamination. So we have to be careful in preparation and handling. So it is recommended to use topical antibiotics concurrently. I hope this was useful to you. Please subscribe and share if you like this video. Thank you.